Hello students, in the previous video of this chapter, you have learned about the pole star, shape of the earth and the globe. In today's session, you will learn about the longitude and latitude. There are vertical and horizontal imaginary lines on the earth's surface. With the help of these imaginary lines, exact time and location can be known. These lines are not there on the earth's surface. These lines can only be seen on the map. How do latitude and longitude work? Latitude and longitude work like a map grid but on a global scale. These two sets of imaginary lines encircle the globe. Locations on these lines are stated in degrees. The primary unit in which longitude and latitude are given is degrees. There are 360 of longitude and 180 degree of latitude. Each degree can be broken into 60 minutes. Each minute can be divided into 60 seconds. Latitude and longitude coordinates are the best way to find an exact location on the earth. Now what are the some other ways to locate places? Why do you think latitude and longitude are better ways to locate places? What is prime meridian? A prime meridian is the meridian means a line of longitude in a geographic coordinate system at which longitude is defined to be 0 degree. Together a prime meridian and its anti-meridian form a great circle. Its starting point for measuring longitude, it is labeled as 0 degree and is a vertical line. Now what is longitude? The vertical imaginary lines drawn on the surface of the earth are called longitudes. The longitudes meet each other at the poles. These lines come closer to each other while going towards poles. There are total 360 longitudes, among which 0 degree longitude and 180 degree longitude are important. What is latitude? The horizontal imaginary lines drawn on the earth's surface are called latitudes. If any point on the surface of the earth is connected by a straight line to the center of the earth, then the line becomes latitude of the point as far as the angle of the center is along the equator. The total number of latitudes are 181. What do you mean by equator? An equator is an imaginary line around the middle of a planet or other celestial body. It is halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole at 0 degree latitude. An equator divides the planet into a northern hemisphere and a southern hemisphere. The earth is widest at its equator. Notice that there is a horizontal line drawn in the center of the earth's surface. It is equator. The equator divides earth into two equal parts. The portion above equator is called northern hemisphere and the portion towards the south of equator is called southern hemisphere. Thus latitude in its north are called northern latitudes and those towards south are called southern latitudes. 23.5 degree north latitude in the northern hemisphere is called Tropic of Cancer, while 23.5 degree south latitude in the southern hemisphere is called Tropic of Capricorn. Similarly, 66.5 degree latitude in the north of equator is called Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degree latitude in the south of equator is called Antarctic Circle. The speed of the sun between Tropic of Cancer in the north and Tropic of Capricorn in the south of equator is called solstice. Therefore, the circles between these are called solstices. It takes 6 months for the speed of the sun. Earth is tilted at the corner at 23.5 degree. Thus, sun rays fall almost straight between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Observe the given picture carefully and find out what is the latitude at different points and what is the longitude at different points. Latitude is first and longitude is second in the picture. Find 35 degree north and 120 degree west. What state is it in? What is GPS? Global Positioning System. With the help of GPS, we come to know the latitudinal and longitudinal location of any place through mobile phones and Google Earth. The latitudinal and longitudinal location of any place may be found with the help of mobiles which have internet access today. Global Positioning System is a global navigation satellite system that provides location, velocity, and time synchronization. GPS is everywhere. You can find GPS system in your car, your smartphone, and your watch. What is GMT line? Greenwich Mean Time Line. The 0-degree longitude which passes through Greenwich City of England is called Greenwich Line. Greenwich Line divides Earth into two equal parts from east to west, which is known as Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. The longitudes up to 180 degree east of Greenwich Line are called eastern longitudes, and the longitudes up to 180 degree west of Greenwich Line are called western longitudes. What is international date line? 180-degree longitude is called international date line. It is just one longitude. The date and time changes when we cross this line. It passes through the Pacific Ocean. It is exactly not at 180 degree at some places. It is in zigzag form. The reason behind it is that if it is drawn straight, it will cross some islands or some countries, because of which two dates will mix up on the same island. In some places, while going to the other side of an island, date may change, which will create confusion. To prevent this confusion, the line is deviated roughly. To avoid any confusion of date, this line is drawn through the sea and not the land. What are tropics? From the given figure, it becomes clear that the Earth is divided in different parts on the basis of the difference in temperature, light, heat and cold. These parts are called zones. I hope you have understood today's session well. Thank you.